Have you ever wondered how Go and PHP stack up against each other? In this video, we'll dive deep into comparing Golang and PHP to help you choose the right language for your next project. When it comes to performance, Go, often referred to as Golang, is a compiled language known for its speed and efficiency. It compiles directly to machine code, resulting in fast execution times and minimal memory usage. On the other hand, PHP is an interpreted language that runs on web servers through an interpreter like the Zend engine. While PHP 7 and 8 have significantly improved performance, Go generally outperforms PHP in raw speed, especially in CPU-bound tasks. Concurrency is another area where Go shines. It has built-in support for concurrency using goroutines and channels, making it ideal for applications that require parallel processing, like real-time services and high-load servers. In contrast, PHP doesn't have native support for concurrency. To achieve parallelism in PHP, you'd need to use extensions like threads or rely on external tools and servers, which can add complexity to your project. Let's talk about syntax and ease of use. Go's syntax is clean, concise, and modern, emphasizing simplicity and readability. It enforces strict typing and requires explicit error handling. Here's a simple Hello World program in Go. Go uses packages for code organization and encourages good coding practices. PHP has a familiar syntax for those used to C-style languages and is known for its ease of use, especially in web development. Here's Hello World in PHP. PHP scripts are embedded within HTML, making it straightforward to build dynamic web pages. When it comes to type systems, Go is statically typed, meaning variable types are known at compile time. This can help catch errors early and improve code reliability. PHP is dynamically typed, allowing for more flexibility but potentially leading to runtime errors if not carefully managed. Consider error handling. Go uses explicit error handling, where functions often return error values that need to be checked. This encourages developers to handle errors proactively. In PHP, error handling is typically done using exceptions, which can be caught and handled using try-catch blocks. Looking at use cases, Go is well suited for building high-performance servers, microservices, and systems programming. It's often used in cloud services, networking tools, and applications that require scalability. Companies like Docker, Kubernetes, and Uber use Go extensively in their infrastructure. PHP is primarily used for web development, powering a significant portion of the internet. Popular content management systems like WordPress and Drupal, as well as frameworks like Laravel, are built with PHP. If you're developing websites or web applications with a need for rapid development and a rich ecosystem, PHP is a solid choice. Regarding community and libraries, Go has a growing community with a rich set of libraries and frameworks, especially for networking, concurrency, and cloud services. The Go standard library is comprehensive, covering many needs out of the box. PHP has a vast and mature ecosystem with numerous libraries and frameworks for web development, making it easy to find solutions and resources for almost any problem. In terms of learning curve, Go is relatively easy to learn, especially if you have experience with languages like C or Java. Its simplicity and consistency make it accessible to beginners, but concepts like pointers and concurrency might require some learning. PHP is straightforward and easy to pick up, even for those new to programming. Its syntax is beginner-friendly, and getting a simple web page up and running is quick and easy. Job market and demand are important considerations. Go developers are in high demand for roles involving cloud infrastructure, DevOps, and back-end services. As more companies adopt microservices architecture, the need for Go expertise continues to grow. PHP remains widely used in the web development industry. There's a steady demand for PHP developers, especially in maintaining and developing content management systems and e-commerce platforms. Let's consider deployment. Go produces standalone binaries, which simplifies deployment since you don't need to manage runtime dependencies on the server. PHP requires a web server like Apache or Nginx with PHP installed, which is standard in most web hosting environments. Ecosystem and tooling also play a role. Go comes with a built-in toolchain that includes formatting, testing, and benchmarking tools. It simplifies the development process and ensures consistency across projects. PHP has a rich set of tools and a vast ecosystem of packages available via Composer, its dependency manager, which aids in rapid development and code reuse. Imagine you're building a high-performance API server that needs to handle thousands of concurrent connections efficiently. Go would be an excellent choice due to its concurrency model and performance. Alternatively, if you're tasked with developing a dynamic website with user authentication, content management, and you need to deliver quickly, PHP with a framework like Laravel would be highly suitable. Both Go and PHP have their strengths and are suited to different types of projects. If performance, concurrency, and scalability are your priorities, and you're building system-level applications or microservices, Go is a strong contender. If you're focused on web development, need to get up and running quickly, and want access to a vast array of web-specific tools and frameworks, PHP is a reliable choice. Your choice ultimately depends on your project's specific needs, your team's expertise, and the goals you aim to achieve.